Individual lash glue versus strip lash glue. Can you substitute one for the other? Let's find out. The first thing you need to know is that strip lash glues are formulated very differently from individual lash glues. Strip lash adhesives dry to a flexible hold since it has to conform to the shape of your eyes, but you can use it to apply individual lashes too. It's a soft formula that's safe to apply to the skin and lasts until you decide to take them off. You can easily remove lashes with makeup remover or by peeling it off, which we actually don't recommend. Because they're formulated to last anywhere from 2 to 4 weeks, individual lash glues have a much more aggressive hold compared to soft and pliable strip lash glues. Look how it doesn't budge when I rub it firmly with my finger, but the strip lash formula rubs right off. If you take a closer look at these very poorly applied individual lashes I just did, you'll see the glue is applied to the lash hairs. That's because you never want individual lash glue to touch your actual skin. With this glue, lashes won't come off despite pulling, trying to remove it with makeup remover, splashing water on it, and even more pulling after that. You need a special remover to remove this glue. Now, I know what you're thinking. Don't do it. First off, individual lash adhesive wasn't meant to touch the sensitive skin around your eyes anyway. Second, you'll have a terrible time trying to remove it later, especially after you find yourself waking up to some seriously bent lashes. Lastly, if you get your lashes wet, which you will, good luck getting them to look as good as they did the first day. And that's it for part 3 of our All About Adhesive series. Make sure you check out the other 2 videos in this series and leave your questions and comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful videos.